Ever wondered what really fueled that epic stock market climb from the ashes of 2008 all the way to 2025? It's a story that's way more complex than just a simple economic recovery. We often hear about innovation and business cycles, and yes, they're huge parts of the puzzle. But there's a powerful, often overlooked force at play: the hand of government and the courts. Let's rewind to the aftermath of the 2008 financial crisis. The government stepped in with massive stimulus packages and bailouts. The TARP program, for instance, pumped billions into failing banks. These weren't just rescue missions. They were massive injections of confidence into a market that was on life support. This set the stage for one of the longest bull runs in history. Then, the Federal Reserve kept interest rates near zero for years. This easy money policy made borrowing incredibly cheap for companies, fueling buybacks and expansion, which in turn pushed stock prices higher and higher. As we moved into the next decade, a wave of deregulation swept through various sectors, particularly in finance and energy. Rules were rolled back, compliance costs were cut, and corporations saw their profit margins expand. Think about the tax cuts of 2017. Slashing the corporate tax rate from 35% to 21% meant companies had billions of extra dollars. Where did that money go? A lot of it went straight into stock buybacks, which reduces the number of shares available and drives up the price of the remaining ones. This was a direct, legislative booster shot for the market. Beyond Congress, executive actions also played a significant role. Trade policies, whether it was negotiating new deals or imposing tariffs, created winners and losers, sending ripples through the market and forcing investors to constantly reevaluate their strategies. Even Supreme Court rulings had an impact. Decisions like Citizens United, for example, changed the landscape of corporate political spending, arguably giving corporations more influence over policies that could benefit their bottom line. So, when we look at that incredible 17-year journey of the stock market, from the depths of despair to new all-time highs, it's crucial to see the full picture. It wasn't just about Silicon Valley inventing the next big thing or the natural ebb and flow of the economy. It was a complex dance between corporate America, technological innovation, and the powerful, shaping forces of laws, policies, and judicial decisions that continuously redefined the rules of the game. Understanding this helps us see the market not just as numbers on a screen, but as a reflection of our entire society. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the forces that shape our world. See you next time.